All right, welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show. With silver and gold looking great at the moment, I thought it would be fantastic to take a look at some charts for silver. Now, before trying to see where silver can go, it is beneficial to realize that there are external factors that can affect it outside of trader behavior. For example, if we get that stimulus bill passed this week, that may pump the brakes on some of silver's renewed exuberance. But before we get into some of that, if you're new to this channel, please hit that big red subscribe button right down below. Also, please hit the like button. Helps to get this economic evangelism right on out there to the masses to bring more people into precious metals. All right, so real quick, we may actually get the bill at the latest by the end of this week, and that's according to Nancy Pelosi herself, and that would prepare the House to vote on it by next week. Now, again, this may be a small headwind for silver as we may see some investors turn to more riskier plays, especially as we're starting to see equities get more attention right now at the moment. And let's see where SLV is right now. So SLV in the Robinhood app, this is Robin Track. This is how we can see, or this is a way we can see trader behavior within the Robinhood app. So over the past few days, it seems like Robinhood has added an additional 7,000 users who have got into SLV since about July 27th or so, as you can see here. And there's this huge jump. And I mean, obviously we have more, and there's more people getting in right now. But it looks like we're over 27,000 right now, which is pretty insane. And that's a huge jump. And it seems like the price finally caught up to where the users are. The users are the green line, the price is the pink line. And it looks like the price is finally caught up to where the users are. But it seems like more and more people are pouring into SLV. Now let's just take a look at SLV in general. This is through MarketWatch here. And just gonna wait for it to load up here. But what we're going to take a look at are trusty indicators. We're going to take a look at the Bollinger Bands. We're going to take a look at the RSI. And we're also going to take a look at the volume. Now, it seems like it kind of messed up on me here. So I'm just going to have to do this on the spot really quick. So I'm going to get rid of the MACD and simple moving average, and we're just going to look at these here. So let's take a look. So from what I'm seeing, silver has some renewed life. It honestly looks like it came down from being severely overheated to now just approaching that point. But what's interesting is, again, the volume, just like how we saw the volume in Robinhood. The volume is now, or the volume was trending down in recent days, and now it looks like it's starting to get some new life here. We haven't finished the day up yet for the 5th, so it's about halfway, or a little bit over halfway where it was yesterday. And yesterday we saw a huge spike in volume for SLV. And it looks like the price has been hugging the upper band for some time. It's continuing to do that now. It's approaching that upper band, whereas before yesterday it was a little bit below the upper band. Now it's starting to get closer to it. The RSI looks like it is it's roughly at 82.07, and for the most part, that's not that is pretty much pretty overbought. But it's not as high as it was at its peak at 85.32. So we are approaching that. So we're approaching it getting overheated again, but we just aren't there yet. So there may be a little bit more room for silver to go here. Now, again, this is just trader behavior. We need to also take into account external factors as well. So, you know, there are some other things that can help to propel silver even higher. Again, we had the dollar going down. We had the US 10-year hitting about 0.50 late last night. So people are looking for something that they can put their money in. And it seems like more and more people are choosing avenues and vehicles such as silver. So let me know what you guys think about all of this in the comment section below. Do you guys think that silver has a little bit more room to go? Or do you think that we should be expecting a little bit of a pullback? And will that pullback, if you believe this, come in the form of the stimulus bill? Just curious to see what you guys think about all this. All right, guys, thanks again for checking out the video. Please give it a like. Please subscribe if you're new. It's Black Bullion.